Hey guys, welcome back to the homestead and to the channel. How does a professional homeowner protect his family and his pets from ticks, fleas, mites, and mosquitoes all summer long? This product right here. Let's check it out. All right, so what is this product? This is called Permethrin 10 by Gordon's. I bought this in my local, Tractor Supply, and this is a really great product to use on your homestead to protect your family and your pets from different creepy and crawlies for all summer. Now, with that being said, this isn't a end all be all. You can't just throw this down and it lasts all summer long. You do have to reapply it every 2 weeks or so, or maybe you might be able to get a little bit longer out of it. But let's zoom in here and we'll take a look at the back and we'll see what we're going to apply this for, okay? All right, let's take a look at this product. On the back, it has their booklet here, and we can find what we're going to be using this for. We're going to be using it as like a premises spray around the homestead. So we'll take a look here and find where it has that. Directions for premise. That's a surface spray. This is a space spray. This is what we're looking for right here. So we're looking for this. It's going to be a 1:19 ratio, 1 part of this product to 19 parts water. We're going to be doing 4.8 gallons. So we're going to use all 32 ounces of this product. This is 1 U.S. quart, which is 32 ounces. We're going to use this product and see how it works. All right, so we're going to use this backpack sprayer. Now, you don't have to have a lot of money to do this. I borrowed this from a friend. So like if you don't have one, it's no big deal. Borrow one. If you have somebody to borrow it from, even the 1 gallon pressure sprayers aren't that bad. I'm not going to do all 4 gallons right now. I'm just going to do 2 gallons. So I'm only going to use half of the solution. That way, if I don't use it all on the property here, I'll have some for next time. One thing you want to do before you put your chemicals in is to put some water in first. So we're going to put about a gallon in before we put any of the chemicals in. All right, that's a little over a gallon. Use protection, guys. Anytime you're working with chemicals like this, put some gloves on. Not necessarily while you're spraying, while you're working with the raw chemical itself. Make sure you have some sort of protection on your hands. So we have 32 ounces. We want to take it down to 16 ounces. So. All right, that should be good. We're going to fill it the rest of the way up to 2 gallons, and that'll mix it up real good. All right. And now we can spray. All right, I think we're about ready to spray here. Now, I want you to be honest with me. Do I look like Dale? Do I fit the part? Do you think I could do it? I need a beer. That's what I need. Let's do some spraying. right, guys, we got everything treated up. We did the whole property line. We did around the house, on the eaves of the house, around the pavilion, on the eaves of the pavilion. So yeah, our property, the perimeter is treated. Once I mow the lawn today, once I get the grass off and I pick all the clippings up, I'll do the soil with the other portion that I have mixed up. I only mixed 2 gallons. And I only used a gallon of that for our like 1.3 acre property here to do the perimeter. So I'm pretty happy with that. They say to use a fine mist, and we're not to let the dilution sit for more than 24 hours according to the instructions. I'm not sure why, whether it's a crystallization thing. The reason I did the eaves and all around that area is because we have a horrible wasp problem every year, and Permethrin is supposed to eliminate that. So if you have a bee problem, carpenter bees, wasps, stuff like that, go ahead and do that. If you guys have a lot of dandelions on your property and stuff like that, I know it's hard to justify doing this, because of the honeybees. But luckily we have a huge field of clover beside us. So the little bit of pollen that they're getting out of my flowers, I'm not too worried about. We plant flowers throughout the year that they can come and pollinate that we won't touch with the permethrin. So, I don't feel too awful bad about that. So we're going to get this mowed up, get it put on the soil, and get it taken care of. So guys, if you're enjoying the channel, just be sure to like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you're alerted every time we put out a video. And leave a comment. I like to hear you guys' feedback and what you guys have to offer. If you guys want to see a certain video, shoot me an idea, and I'll be certain to consider it. So yeah, guys, until I get to see you again, keep your hands dirty and your souls clean. Keep me in your prayers. I'll keep you in mind. And we'll see you in the next video.